Welcome to the Edge2Web video series. In this video, we're going to show a new AI assistant that's powered by an Edge2Web Factory Insights agent. The agent is integrated with key Factory Insights services like shift management and KPI evaluation, and also offers custom integrations. I'm logged into Factory Insights, and I'll start this demo by briefly describing some of Factory Insights' powerful capabilities. I'll start with our Formula Builder, a no-code tool for creating multi-level, multi-dimensional analytic formulas and KPIs. Once you've created KPIs using the Formula Builder, you can use scorecards to quickly display them for groups of assets, such as this scorecard showing OEE for a production line. Dashboards allow you to view details behind the associated KPIs and other asset-related information. Factory Insights includes a variety of lean manufacturing scorecards and dashboards out of the box, but you can also create custom analytics and visualizations using your factory data. This is possible because of Edge2Web's robust configuration settings. One of those configurations is the Reason Manager, which enables users to create hierarchical groups of reasons describing the state of an asset. This state information is then used in time-dimensioned formulas, Gantt charts, and other advanced Factory Insights visualizations. Asset settings and profiles enable you to assign reason trees to assets and allow KPI to formula mapping. This is another very important feature. In this profile, the OEE KPI has been mapped to an area OEE formula. Areas typically aggregate weighted equipment performance information, whereas the equipment can calculate the KPI for OEE directly. Configuration settings support advanced visualizations such as category analysis, which is a standard Factory Insights dashboard. It allows you to see the details of equipment states and helps operators track and reduce downtime. Let's open the AI Assistant for category analysis. The AI Assistant does a good job of summarizing downtime information, including content from the AI knowledge base to supplement its findings. I'll show that by clicking on the Summarize prompt. This prompt provides helpful information by using the states and reasons that are displayed on the dashboard. However, the Factory Insights AI agent can directly inquire about states of the assets, KPIs, and other information that isn't visible on the dashboard. Let me demonstrate more of that capability on a custom dashboard. This dashboard, which is currently under development, displays basic information for a selected asset. I'll open the AI Assistant on this page, and we'll see some suggested prompts that a user can run to interact with the assistant. I'll click on Daily Summary to see the results. This prompt summarizes production over the last 24 hours as requested and gives helpful details associated with the current period. I have already created a group of prompts. Rather than executing each one individually, I'll open my conversation history to view their results. I previously executed all prompts and saved the results. Production Overview highlights the past 24 hours of production. Scrap Analysis is next and identifies possible reasons for product defects. Machine Performance highlights throughput and cycle times. Next is Energy Usage Analysis, for which the assistant produced a time series graph. Last is a production forecast based on the previous 2 operating months. How were these prompts created? Let's develop a new prompt. I'll be acting as a prompt engineer who needs to create an analysis for shift turnover. I'll start with a simple prompt. Summarize line production for the previous shift. This prompt generated some very useful information for my shift supervisors. Note that some of the information is not directly visible in the dashboard. More on that in a moment. Since I am an authorized user, I can also access the Agent Tracing feature. By clicking the Agent Tracing button, I am able to view the details associated with the agent's processing, such as its rationale, the calls it made, and the data the agent returned. Now, let's return to prompt development. I want some more information for my users when they click the new prompt I'm creating, so let's ask the AI to summarize the production both by product code and work order. The analysis shows production by work order and is closer to what I want users to see. But users may also want a chart of the KPIs and have visibility into any downtime or alarms that happened during the shift, so I'll expand the prompt to perform that analysis. I'm going to paste the expanded text into the prompt editor rather than typing it manually, and now I'll execute the updated prompt. The results look really good, and this is the report I want to give to my shift turnover teams. My next step is to add this new prompt to the AI Assistant menu for this dashboard. So I will click the Edit Prompt button. I'm going to enter a new prompt and paste in the prompt text that I developed. I can also enter a tooltip that will help users understand what they're going to see when they execute this prompt. Next, I'll click Save to add the new prompt to the menu. And when I refresh the prompt menu, we see that the new prompt, Summary of Previous Shift, has been added to the menu. I'll also save this prompt to my prompt editing workspace so I can change it if needed and use it as the foundation for other prompts in the future. Edge2Web's prompt editing tools enable me to easily create and reuse AI building blocks for current and future needs. Another Edge2Web prompt building feature is sharing of visualizations between the AI Assistant and Edge2Web's no-code dashboard builder tools. To demonstrate that interaction, I'm going to open up the AI Assistant in this dashboard builder and find the prompt session we just created. I'll scroll down to the graph and drop it onto the dashboard. The next time this dashboard is executed by me or another user, the new graph will automatically be displayed. It's as easy as that. So how were all these actions developed? Let's switch over to Edge2Web's low-code designer environment and have a look under the hood. We're now in Edge2Web's low-code designer solution, Edge2Web Director, where we have all of the action groups that we utilized in the previous part of the session. I'm going to open the Alarm action group, where we can see that it can acquire alarms, get the history of an alarm, acknowledge alarms, and other useful actions. And this is all built on top of Edge2Web's connectivity tier, which provides access to AWS IoT SiteWise and surrounding AWS platform services. Third-party services can also be easily integrated into the user application. Director makes it easy to create custom AI-driven analytics. If you're an app developer, you can run a test in this environment and see details associated with the passed arguments and your code execution. Let's open the AI Assistant in the designer environment, and I'm just going to click on the summary of the previous shift. While that's processing, I can open up the debug window and scroll down, where we see requests that are coming in from the agent and how those requests are processed. I'm going to scroll to where we're invoking a function. Let's see what function is being called. It's asking about the previous shift start and end, which helps me to debug my code based on what's returned to the agent. The action groups you develop can be run either using return control from the agent or from a Lambda function for headless interactions. In summary, the Factory Insights AI agent provides deep insights into your production operations. Contact us for more information about Edge2Web's smart manufacturing solutions.